All right, so there's this thing called complementary ratios, and we already know complementary means that, two angles that add to 90 degrees. So we know that sine and cosine, which is cos, are complementary. And we can show it by, if we look at both the graphs, if we're doing sine of x, that should be exactly the same as cos of 90 minus x, because that would be the complementary angle. I am in radians, so I'm going to go pi on 2 minus, and you can see they're the same curve. So the sine and cosine are complementary to each other. We also know that tan, there's tan graph, and the cotangent, right? Co means complementary. You can see if I don't have that there, so there's the tan and cot curve, but when I move it along, or I change the angle to 90 minus the original angle, so the complementary angles there, then we get the same curve. So cot and tan and cotangent are also complementary. And the third pair we have, this will be a bit difficult for me, here we go. So we have, let's go sec, sec x and cosec. So cosec again is complementary. There we go. So you can see there that they're both now the same graph, or they equal each other once I use the complementary angle for one of them. So if I take it back, there's the actual curve. So there are three that are complementary, and they'll all have the co. So sine and cosine, tangent and cotangent, secant and cosecant, or sec and cosec. So just remember, when you're finding like sine of 30, it will be the same as cos of 60. Tan of 30 will be the same as cot of 60. Sec of 60 will be the same as cosec of 30.